As we conclude this module, let's reflect on a fundamental question. Why does all of this matter? What is the true value of AI-powered analytics for the finance professional? The answer is grounded in partnership. AI-powered analytics does not replace your hard-earned finance expertise, judgment, or understanding of the business. Instead, it acts as a powerful decision support system. It amplifies your capabilities by helping you analyze larger sets of data faster, detect potential risks and opportunities earlier, improve the accuracy of your forecasts, and communicate insights to stakeholders more effectively with clear, data-driven evidence. As the finance function continues to evolve, the ability to work alongside and interpret AI-driven insights is becoming a core, indispensable professional skill. Module summary. Let's recap what you've learned in this module. You've seen that while traditional analytics is vital for understanding the past, AI uniquely enables forward-looking, predictive insights. You now know that predictive analytics allows finance teams to anticipate future outcomes, not just report on past ones. You've learned how machine learning improves forecasting accuracy over time by adapting to new data, and how AI can serve as a continuous monitoring system to detect anomalies and potential fraud in real time. Perhaps most practically, you've discovered that these powerful features are already accessible within familiar tools like Excel and Power BI. Ultimately, with AI-powered analytics, you are empowered to make a strategic leap. You can move beyond the essential role of reporting what has already happened to actively shaping better business decisions for what comes next.